Today we're going to show you how to create an article. The first thing we're going to do is click on Add New and then Article on the drop-down menu. The next thing you should do is write the title of your article. Now you can add a cover picture. Next up is the lead of the article. Think of this as your overview. Think of the block as your layout. Content equals text, gallery equals photo, quote to stand out, and video to showcase. We're going to copy and paste the text into the first block. You can play with the text and look at bold, italics, underline, insert links. You can also add a picture when you click on Gallery. In the next block, we're going to repeat the process. In our third block, we're going to copy and paste a quote. This font is usually in large and aesthetically pleasing. We're going to add another picture right beside the quote. Our last block is going to be a video. We're going to copy and paste a link from YouTube and save this. Lastly, we're going to save it to our private cookbook or publish it for the followers to see. Thank you for watching this tutorial.